Alright, I'm going to break down this trade I just took today, Friday, July 18th. If we look on the left hand side, that's my higher time frame. We see SMT at the highs. We took out previous day high and then started to reverse. So we're looking for shorts here. Price manipulated higher and pushed lower, and I didn't really find any solid entries. Here we have a retracement into a 15-minute fair value gap in an order block marked out in purple here. So we put our sell limit inside the FVG, fair value gap, stop above the high of the fair value gap candle. So we're waiting to get filled here. It's entering the 1050 to 1110 macro right now. So just waiting to get filled. We get filled here. We have most of our position off originally right here at this swing low. This low resistance liquidity building up below. So right here, yeah, we'd like to see price run from this fair value gap, displace lower, respecting bearish PD arrays. Price retraces up into this small white inversion fair value gap. I marked out here we're looking to pyramid inside the next FVG that forms. So right now price is just chopping inside this fair value gap. We're looking to see displacement away from it. Actually, right there, I was looking at that. Now we have a bearish breaker formation setting up if we can close below this down close candle. And that's where I'll look to pyramid, which means adding to my position and reducing the risk, keeping it about the same risk, and just multiplying my profits. I have a video about how to do this and keep your risk the same while increasing your profits on my channel. So right here we displace close below the bearish breaker, so we put a limit, we get filled there, so now we have 12 contracts short. Stop gets dragged lower above the high formation right there. Here we go break even. We have 10 contracts coming off at this low, so then we'll only have 2 runners once that gets filled. Created a fair value gap inside that breaker. That's another entry location if we can trade up into it, but I'm not going to pyramid anymore since I'm so close to my target. It's 11:04, so we're still inside that macro window, and price reaches my partial target. Most of my position comes off, stop above this fair value gap. So we have 2 runners left. I have one right there at the 168 level, which is a 15-minute fair value gap. And then the last partial will come off at previous day low, which is a long shot, as you can see on the left side, the higher time frame chart. So right now we are content getting stopped out here, but we're just giving the trade room to breathe to see if it wants to push lower. This is our last chance. If this fair value gap doesn't hold, then we're out of the trade and we're done for the day. So let's see how this plays out. Taps into the fair value gap, and we should be getting stopped out right about here. And there we go, we closed the trade, and that's a beautiful win. Thanks for watching.